Jing'an.
Go check out the room.
Jing'an.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. And there's a monk right there. Pretty cool. Shanghai is a pretty cool city. Okay, here's a park, and actually we're going to be crossing the street in a minute. So there we go. Okay, it's a pretty cool street. Pretty crowded, but you got some bikes going down it. You got you have all kinds of little side alley stuff, shops, restaurants. Yeah, pretty nice. Shanghai has a lot of pretty cool stuff. Really surprised. The noise bar. Sorry if I'm moving the camera around a lot, but old style. And sunset light is just starting to go down too, so it's going to capture everything. Okay, there's a Korean over there. Design studio. Korean design studio. Pretty cool. Okay, so I'm on this street now, and what I kind of like is these all these houses here. They're kind of cool. I don't know why I like them, but like it's about 6 stories high. You got storefronts at the bottom, and then you have kind of these big spacious windows that kind of go all the way across. So I don't know, something about that I just kind of like. And this street is pretty interesting too. So what I'm going to do for the rest of today is I'm going to meet a good friend of mine that I've known since Korea. I've known him for almost 20 years. And but he's at work right now, so I have a couple hours, so I'm going to go find a place called New York Pizza. So I could eat anything. I should be eating Chinese food, but I live in Macau, so there's a lot of different food here. And I've been living in Asia for so long that sometimes I really crave things like New York pizza, so I'm going to try to find it. Okay, so I'm going to go across this big monstrous road right here. Alright. Phew. Got to the other side. Going down some kind of cool street right here. Tons of little shops. Kind of going around a corner. Looks like there's a school here, and then we're gonna go around this corner. And actually, that right there looks the coolest. And I'll turn it off in a minute. But basically, we're walking, still trying to find that New York pizza place, which is about 1.6 kilometers away. Hey. So I'm just walking down this street, so we basically came down that way. Pretty cool architecture. It's like, I don't know, just kind of like it. Anyways, let's keep going and I'll film time to time. Okay, just kind of walking. Pretty cool city. Right over here is a hospital. But yeah, it's just the sun's starting to come down a little bit, so the neon lights are on, and we're just kind of catching that part of the evening that's somewhat photogenic. And yeah, I'm still walking towards New York Pizza. I don't even know what kind of, I don't know anything about it, so it could be a horrible restaurant. Could be overpriced. I'm hoping it's just like New York slices. But we'll see. I flew in from Jing'an today, so this is my first day in Shanghai. Never been in this neighborhood. I have been. This is my third time to Shanghai, but never been over here. Such a big city that every time I come, it's like kind of a different kind of place. All right. I'm just kind of focusing on these bikes. So, got all kinds of bikes. A lot of them look like they've been there a long time. I wonder how often the city cleans them through. Some of them don't have locks and some of them do. That one's no lock. So, okay. Kind of interesting. Alright, so okay. And I'm coming up on some specialty shops, like little fashion clothing shops. Anyways, I better check my phone and see where I'm at. You can see here they park on the sidewalk, so it's hard to get around some of the times. So you never know. And I just found out that the pizza place doesn't exist here. So I just walked about 2 kilometers to get here, and there is no pizza place. Oh, no, here it is. On the map, it's in a different place. Here's the pizza place. New York style pizza. Thanks, like they had slices. Probably pretty tasty. But yeah, so they don't have pizza here. So, alright. That's okay. I'll find something else to eat. Get some Chinese food. Okay. Dang. Don't know what I'm gonna eat now. Just really looking forward to that. We'll see. There's a Japanese place over there. Well, I'll see what I find. Okay. So we're back on Nanjing Road, and we got these kind of cool statues here. We're all waiting for the bus. It's pretty cool. And this guy. This guy's on his phone with his haircut. Dad. by the sun. It's pretty funny. So this guy is just tired. And this one here is pregnant, and you got the elderly too. That's pretty cool. Okay, so Jing'an Temple, we're back here, so we're going to capture some of these, some of the coolness here. Okay. So yeah, Jing'an Temple, so I'm back and it's kind of the end of the day, so I'm going to conclude this video. And it's kind of nice right now. The lights are out, so looks like the temple might get lit up too. Looks like there's some floodlights that are going to be nice and cool looking in a little bit. But actually, right now it's pretty cool looking at the moment. I think what I might try to do is get over on the other side so I can view it from that side. So okay, now you can have the lights as well as the temple in the background. Pretty cool. So yeah, this basically is Shanghai. This is my first day here, so I'm going to put this video all together, walking Shanghai in whatever neighborhood this is, and give it a label. So hope you like that. Okay, so there you go. Temple. More music on the other side. You can hear it over there. You get this kind of cool looking quadruple lion or something, triple lion. And that's it. Okay, so we're going to conclude this trying to find some food. And earlier I saw a Vietnamese restaurant, so I'm going to try to find that again. I'll just show you when I find it. And this is kind of a little food court. It's good looking food here. And the Vietnamese one was in the back. A lot of other good stuff too. Here's one from Taipa. And where'd that Vietnamese go? There's a Thai one. Tomato. That's one I'm going to go to, Saigon. It's popular and crowded.